Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add clickable links to your YouTube shorts. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, let's head over to the YouTube studio. You can get there by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube studio. Now, here's a quick heads up. YouTube Shorts itself doesn't support clickable links directly within the video, but don't worry, we have a workaround using the descriptions and comments. Step 1. Upload your short just like you normally would. Once your video is uploaded, go to the details sections. In the description box, you can add link that you want. It could be linked to a website, a product, or another video. Just type or paste your link there. Remember, keep your description short and engaging. You can also include a call to action to encourage viewers to click the link. Once you've posted the comment, click on three dots next to it to select pin. This way the link will always be at the top of the comment. And that's it. Now your viewers have easy access to your links in the description and pinned comment. It's a simple yet effective way to drive traffic wherever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel